Hello, my name is Aishwarya. I had a wonderful journey with eVision Technoserve, and I am happy to share that I have been placed at Impact Infotech Private Limited in Pune as a service desk engineer. The training provided here is excellent. They focus on practical knowledge which really helped me prepare for the industry. The trainers are very supportive and explain concepts clearly until you understand them completely. I am really valuable for the guidance from the placement team and the entire staff. I highly recommended eVision to anyone looking to kickstart their career in IT. Thank you so much for eVision team, your support and your guidance.